Hey guys, what's up? My name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. It is currently about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I have been sleeping all day because I stayed up until like 5 or 6 in the morning last night, helping Jason with an assignment and also doing some of my own university work. But I just wanted to jump on because I finally got a package. This is one of the few packages that I ordered. I'm not gonna do a haul right now because I have another package from the same place, from YesStyle. I'll do my haul once that package has arrived, so it's just gonna be one medium-sized YesStyle haul. Whoa, my voice. Today I've just been working on Jason's assignment again, and later on, once it's submitted, it's due in about 2 hours, I'm going to be doing some more of my own uni work. So yeah, I'm gonna open my package. I'm very excited to see what's in here, but again, once my other YesStyle package has arrived, then I will do a little haul. Good morning. So here I have my pile of new clothes and accessories, but today I got my other package, which I'm really excited about because I have a bit of I have one skincare item on here and I've been waiting for this for ages. So ooh, this is what I've been waiting for. Holy moly, so excited. Oh my goodness, I was literally about to buy a different item similar to this on someone's Instagram, like Depop Instagram thing. Oh, I'm so excited! Merry Christmas! Hi. Oh my god. Hi, it is currently about 4ish in the afternoon and I just had a really good talk with one of the volunteers for our assignment, and so now I'm going to just be taking a quick break by showing you what I got from YesStyle and from some friends. Kind of done a bit of damage in the last 5 or 6 weeks since lockdown, so I'm gonna show you. This is the stuff that I got. So I'll be showing these items in no particular order. However, I did want to share some items that I got from some friends first. The first item that I got is from my friend Althea. I'll put her Instagram here somewhere. I got this Kukai bodysuit off of her. Honestly, so cute. I have never owned anything like this before, and so I was quite excited to try it on. I was actually really keen to wear this at my mom's birthday dinner, but I somehow got eyebrow product on it, so this will have to wait another day. But thank you, Althea. Love this. Love her. She's great. And the second piece that I got is from my friend Brienne, which is just this short sleeve turtleneck. She also gave me this little card here and a note at the back, which I thought was really cute. So this is the Instagram where she sells her clothes, and this is the Instagram where she posts her everyday photos. She's very cute. You guys should follow her too. Moving on to my YesStyle purchases. This first one is low-key, honestly, my least favorite, just because it doesn't fit me the best. And it is this white mesh bodysuit here. I opted for a size medium because reviews said that if you are not part of the itty bitty titty committee, this wouldn't have fit you. So I went for a medium just because, you know, and turns out it's a little too big. I'm not that fussed. I do have a sewing machine here, so I can always just fix it up. But yeah, if you're usually a small and you want to get this, stick to the small. Welcome to the closet. The next piece is a skirt, and a lot of these pieces are inspired by the Navarros on Instagram and TikTok. I think her style is so beautiful and it's so aesthetic. I got this skirt from her, well, because of her, and there's a chain that goes with it too, but I bought a few chains, so I'll show you that later on. This thing does fit me pretty well. The only thing is I have to put it over my head and wriggle it down to my waist because this is not stretchy, and so when I try and put it on like normal pants, it doesn't go through my butt. So with that being said, if you wanted to get this skirt and you're a little bit curvier or you have a little more cush in the tush, size up definitely, but personally I don't really mind wiggling this from my head down to my waist. So yeah, welcome to the closet. The next piece that I got is also inspired by the Navarros, which is this dress. She's a little bit different. I've never owned anything like this before. This is what she looks like. She's got this really cool chain detail and also like this buckle thing that you kind of attach like that. And what I really like about this is you can make this as short or as long as you like because of these zips right here. Definitely something out of my comfort zone, but I tried it on yesterday and it looks fine. I'm excited to see where I can wear this out. There's definitely Jingle bells. Welcome to the closet. The next piece that I got is actually a set. Again, I've never owned anything like this, and it is a blazer and shorts set. I also got this camisole with it, which is actually quite a good quality. I was quite surprised. The star of the show is definitely this blazer. I think she's very cute. She has pockets here and on the other side, which is very nice. And although it is a small, it's a baggy small, so I can always put a hoodie or something underneath. So that's very exciting. And her partner are these shorts here. Also very cute. It has a tie that you can tie at the back or at the front, and also has pockets. Personally, for me, these are quite perfect. I'm really short. I'm like 4'11", and so the length of these shorts sit just right. And I find that these aren't too long or too short. So welcome to the closet. And I think for clothes, the last thing I got are these pants. This is what they look like. They have this cool pocket detailing on the side, and they also come with this belt that clasps on and off. And so yeah, this is what they look like. I'm very excited for the winter months that I can just put this on and like, I don't know, a crop top and like a jacket on top. I'm very excited for this. Very comfy, very sturdy quality. And again, for my height, I don't think that these are too long, that I'm just drowning in fabric. Welcome to the closet. So alongside my clothes, I also bought a few accessories from YesStyle, and the first one is this belt. Just your regular schmegular belt, but what I like about this is these holes go all the way across the belt. And once again, I'm very little, and so with most belts, they don't have enough holes to accommodate my waist size. So this is definitely nice because I can go as far in as I want. So yeah, welcome to the closet. The next set of accessories is just a bunch of chains, which I'm honestly really excited about. The first one here is just a regular schmegular necklace. You can wear it as a loose fit or as a choker, which I think is really cute. And what I like about this is I can pair this with some outfits to give my outfits a little bit of edge. So this is very cute. Welcome to the closet. Oh my god. The next set of accessories that I have here is just a bunch of chains. The first one is just this single one. I don't know which one goes with the skirt or the belt. I forgot. The second one is pretty similar to the first, except this one has 2 chains on them. Oh my gosh. And lastly, the 3-layered chain, which is personally my favorite just because of the different types of chains that's on here. I'm very excited to try these out with different outfits. Welcome to the closet. And finally, the last item that I got from YesStyle is actually a skincare item, and it is called the Ample and Peptide Shot Ampule. This is what she looks like, and this is the box. And basically it says it is a derma lifting ampule that scientifically, can I read? That scientifically prescribed with peptide thread, the essence of elasticity, which contains pearl extract and liposome. It is said to have anti-wrinkling and whitening properties. I don't really care about the whitening properties. I just want to look young forever. And apparently it's also good for hydration, which I honestly need because it's been getting really cold and my face has been getting really crusty. So yeah, that is pretty much it for my haul so far. I don't really want to say how much I spent overall because my boyfriend and my family watches this and I don't want them to shake their heads. Hi, good evening. It is now nighttime. That is bright. I wanted to jump on to just do a little unboxing because my Function of Beauty package finally arrived. This isn't sponsored. I genuinely wanted to try it myself, and so now that it's here, I wanted to document the unboxing and getting really excited over shampoo. I love how it has my name on the actual packaging. That kind of stuff makes me really happy. Love your shelf. That's so cute. Oh my god. Okay, so this is what she looks like. I have a little card here that says Function of Chris, which I think is so cute. For my hair goals, I selected anti-frizz, strengthening, deep conditioning, color protection, and thermal protection because naturally my hair is very wavy, but it does get really frizzy as well. And color protection, strengthening, because as you can see my hair is bleached. And also deep conditioning. And finally thermal protection. And so I got these 16 ounces and I got them both in purple. This is what they look like. They're very pretty, and as you know they put your name on there, so it just says Function of Chris. And the scent that I got for both is I believe cherry blossom. That smells so nice. And there you go. Hi, I am currently on my desk just looking through my lecturer's notes from my entries. I'm really happy to see that most of them I've achieved and I just have to edit one or two. For the rest of the night, I'm going to be editing my video for this week. Earlier tonight, I was actually looking through my archives from my personal Instagram account and I looked into posts from a year ago and it just made me realize how much I've grown since then, which is honestly so amazing on my part because last year I was mourning the loss of a friend. She didn't die or anything, she just turned out to be an asshole. I was just really sad about, the fact that our friendship was over at that point, despite all of the things that I did for her and all my efforts. I was basically just basking in the thought that I was just not good enough for her as a friend, and even to this day, I still get affected by it. I still get a little hurt, but it's been a journey having to grow out of something that you've had for 10 years. I'm glad to be at a place where it just doesn't bother me as much anymore and I can look past it and, hair flick my way out of the situation. But at the same time, I felt like I had to go through it because if not, I wouldn't be as happy as I am now. There's a certain point in everyone's life where they feel like they've had a glow up, and I personally feel like I've also glowed up in the inside. Bless you. Compared to where I was last year, I'm really happy with where I am now. It was a nice way to check in with myself and how I've grown from that situation. So yeah, I just wanted to share that. Anyway, I'm going to get some edits done for school and also edits done for my video. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we'll be a little bit more productive. Hopefully we'll be waking up a little bit earlier. And tonight we get a good night's sleep.